Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering on the iPhone and preparing essentials so the setup runs smoothly. First, plug in and charge to at least 20%. A low battery can interrupt updates. Once powered, insert your SIM and choose a Wi-Fi network so activation completes quickly. Next, sign in with your Apple ID or create one. This links iCloud, App Store, and backups. Make sure to enable Find My iPhone. It protects you and lets you restore data later. Now proceed to personalization and security settings. Now you'll personalize and secure the device to fit your daily use. Set Face ID or Touch ID and choose a strong passcode so apps and payments stay protected. Once done, decide to restore from iCloud backup for apps and data or start fresh to avoid clutter. Restoring saves time but may carry over old settings. Customize Control Center, add widgets for quick access, and adjust notification styles so alerts are useful, not overwhelming. Finally, review location and privacy settings to control permissions. Finish by installing key apps and ensuring backups are active so you won't lose data. Open the App Store to download email, messaging, banking, and navigation apps. Update iOS to the latest version for security and stability. Enable iCloud backup and confirm contacts and photos are syncing. If something goes wrong, try restarting the phone first. If network issues persist, reset network settings. When problems continue, activation, Apple ID or hardware. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for hands-on help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.